Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. Today we're installing a door stopper. Do it right first time. Here's how. You will need an electric drill, a screwdriver, and of course a doorstop. You can get any doorstop that can be fixed to either your floor, wall or door. Remember to use a screw plug if your floor is tiled. Choose the area for your doorstop. Drill a pilot hole into the surface. Put the screw in the doorstop and add the base plate. Use the screwdriver to screw it into the surface where you made the pilot hole. And finally, place the rubber cap on the front and you're all set. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!